been a couple of days since I started the video about the product I got, a Christmas card from Susan. In the meantime, I've also gotten a Christmas card or a card from Road Trip Eddie. Thank you, sir. Yeah, so I went to the doctor, and I think what it boils down to is piriformis syndrome, which is a tendon or a muscle or something that goes down the back of your right butt cheek or your left butt cheek, and it goes all the way down your leg to your knee, and then it spreads out. Anyway, apparently mine is super inflamed and is pressing on, crushing the sciatic nerve, and it basically either heals itself or you get to have surgery. So I'm hoping that it heals itself. Other than that, I haven't done much. I've basically been in bed. I think I went to the doctor. What day was that? I don't even remember. But I think it was at least 2 days ago, and I've been in bed the whole time. So I just wanted to update and tell you that I will redo and show that cup. No, it's not a cup. Wireless cell phone holder for your vehicle that clips on. You know, you saw it. Anyway, that. And then I got a drone. Oh, I told you. And I need flying lessons because I'm no good at it. And so when I feel better, I'll make another video and show you all that stuff. Seems to me something else. I can't remember. Anyway, so they've got me on meds, Norco, which, and gabapentin for the nerve pain, and some kind of an anti-inflammatory, whatever. And something else, I don't know what it is, begins with an R. I think basically all they do is mess with my, I don't care if I'm in pain. Anyway, oh my gosh, and I made the best dinner tonight. I was thinking, what do I want? I'd like to have hash browns. Well, but I want spinach too. So what I did was, I got my frozen hash, but this would be great for RVing. My frozen hash browns. Well, I browned up half a pound of ground beef. And believe me, this was a quick dinner. Okay, so a half a pound of ground beef, and then a bunch of dry spices. I used garlic, dried onion, begins with a P. Parsley? I think it was parsley. Garlic, whatever I just said. Salt, pepper, a little bit of salt, not a lot. Pepper. Anyway, then I fried up the hamburger meat with a little bit of butter. You know, just a little, like less than about what you'd put on a piece of toast. And then I put, trying to remember, these darn medicines. Okay, so I ground the hamburger meat. No, I didn't grind it, I cooked it. I browned up the hamburger meat. I put in the potatoes, a frozen bag of potatoes. Not even the whole bag, maybe a cup, 2 at the most. Got that cooking. Oh, okay. And then I put in not quite half a bag of frozen vegetables. They had peas and carrots, broccoli, little, I mean they're tiny, you know, little pieces of, and they were just frozen. And then I put a can of cream, it's cream of chicken and mushroom soup. I put that in there, stirred it all around, got it warmed up. A can of water, a can of milk. I mean, when I say the can, I mean the soup can. I dumped the soup in, I filled the soup can up with water and dumped it in. And then I filled the soup can up with milk and I dumped that in. Stirred it all around. And I put in, got that bubbly hot. That's fun to say. Then I put 2 heaping handfuls of fresh spinach on top of that. Stirred it in just a little bit, put the lid on it, got it boiling again, turned the heat off, and I let it sit there in a cast iron pan, sorry. I let it sit there for about 30 minutes, maybe, and went back out there and stirred it, and oh my gosh, it was good. Let me get out there and I'll show you what it looks like. Let me get up. I don't know. Anyway, got spinach. The bag of vegetables had carrots. Got it at Walmart, of course. That's where we all shop. California Mix. Redistributing brand, and it was potatoes with onions and peppers. Anyway, I got them at Walmart. No, I did not. I take it back. I got this at Food Max in Merced. Got everything at Food. I got it at Food Max in Merced, not Walmart. I got everything at Food Max. Yeah. Oh, here's my card from Road Trip Eddie. What a great guy. Anyway, that was sweet. So I got a card from him and a card from Susan. And Susan is, oh, got dark. Hold on. Susan is a lady that I met when I was in where was I? Nebraska? Yeah, I think so. I think that's the town. South Sioux City? Yeah. Anyway, sweet lady. When I first met her, I walked in the door. Let me sit down. Hold on. When I first met Susan, I walked in the door, and there's this person coming at me, and she's got a brown paper bag over her head. And I'm thinking, who is this person? What, the unknown comet? You know, kind of was a little creepy. Honest, Susan, it was a little creepy. But we hit it off really well. That was the first time I met her. And she loves to do verbal sparring. Anyway, we had a ball. So, yeah, I don't know how long this video is, but I just wanted to touch base with you and let you know I'll redo what I did, or finish doing what I did on the review of that phone charger, and it was pretty cool. I like it so far, and I'll put the information for that car charger. I know, I'm Italian, I talk with my hands. The car charger or the phone charger, cell phone charger. I'll put the link for that in the next video, so you come back and watch and you'll get it. And then also, I'll put the link in there for this drone. It's so cute. And it's tiny. I just need flying lessons. My niece is taking flying lessons, really, in real life. I should get her to help me. Anyway, I got a new mouse for my computer, or my laptop, because the little ball thing on it doesn't work. I don't know where it is. I have no clue. I've been such a mess lately with this injury and I don't even know how I got hurt. It just seemed like little by little, you know, one day I was kind of achy. And then it just kept getting worse. I've basically been in bed with this for 7-8 days now. I only get up for necessity reasons, or grab something to eat, or to go to the doctor. Anyway, all right, I'm going to try and get this edited if I can sit still long enough. And I'll work on the next video. All right, I'm going now. Subscribe, like, share, come back, leave a comment. All right. Bye, guys. Thank you.